Hi everyone, in this video I will be unboxing the Unmute, which is a headset adapter that allows you to mute the mic from your headset, and that way it actually converts it into a push to talk device where you press the button that is here. This is the button, and that way you can talk with your friends on, let's say, Discord or any other voice chat. And it's useful because that way you mute the audio and it allows you to to prevent background noise in those audio sessions. So basically you can allow it to work as a standard headset where the mic will work all the time, or you can mute the mic and then push the button to talk. So it's very useful because I sometimes participate in Discord audio sessions, and that way moderators don't have to ask me. I mean, they don't do it to me, but other people, moderators often ask other people to mute their mic because they are there's background noise, and sometimes the moderators needs to mute them and unmute them when it's time for them to talk in those sessions. So with this is prevented because people can actually mute their mic without actually adjusting any settings on the software. Instead, they work physically with this and they mute the mic and they talk when they press the button. So this was a Kickstarter campaign, and it was successful. So shipping was pretty fast, and it came on Friday. So you can see here, well, this is the back of the box, the mute button and the push to talk, and yeah, the shipping was pretty fast. I'm really impressed. So it came in this simple box, you can see, and let's open it. So we can see this is the box. You know, it comes here, and it comes here with the thank you card for supporting the project in Kickstarter. We hope you enjoy using your new Unmute adapter and recommend it to your colleagues and friends. Definitely, I'll be recommending it. I'm going to test it on Discord, and yes, because you know, there's a lot of people that sometimes are asked to mute their mic, and this will solve their issues. So yeah, it comes with the thank you card, and when we open this, we can see how simple is the packaging. This is the Unmute adapter. You can see the push to talk button and the mic mute and unmute switch, and it also comes with the user manual, which is this. The user manual, it tells you of course how to use it. Simply plug it in line with your phone and headset, slide the switch toward the bottom to mute the mic, and then slide it back to enable. While in mute position, you can hold down the push to talk button to temporarily enable the mic, allowing you to quickly respond to short questions. So basically what I mentioned, and this is very useful for Discord, for example, because of that. Let's open this and take a look at the adapter. This is the adapter. You can see standard headset connector and push the talk button and the switch to mute the mic. Now it is in the mute position. Now it is in the unmute position. And when it is in the mute position, you just press the button and you talk. So yeah. That's pretty it. What comes with this packaging. So it comes with the user manual, with the adapter of course, the thank you card, and that's basically it. So next thing you will be wondering is how to use it. So here I have my headset, which are the the headphones, the headset that comes bundled with the Samsung phones, with all Samsung phones, because new Samsung phones doesn't come with this, and in fact these are already deprecated. They are not sold anymore in the website from what I saw, but they do have excellent quality. So basically we plug the headset like that, and then this goes to the phone, and then you can either mute the mic and press the button, or you can just talk normally. So it's very simple. It's a very simple device. If you're used to have an adapter like this, which is this is the plug, it is a headphone Bluetooth adapter, which works with headsets as well. Well, it can convert this into Bluetooth as well. This was from another Kickstarter campaign, and you just plug it in, and you know the Bluetooth will turn on when it detects there's a headset there. You see the light turn on, and that way it's perfect, and it's turning off. Yeah. So it's a really simple device. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.